Okay, a couple of people have had some problems getting their artboards to multiply in Photoshop. And I realized last night after I was trying to help someone that the, the default way that your artboards are set up is different on your Photoshop than it is on mine. So it's not going to look the same as it looked during the live session. So I'm going to very quickly show you how you can fix that. What is ending up happening is when you guys make a new document, a new artboard, it's defaulting to the move button basically. So right down here where the move tool is, if you click on the little arrow, of course it's not going to work for me while I'm trying to do this. Come on. There we go. Okay. You can change it to the Artboard tool. And that is what you need to be able to make a second and a third and a fourth artboard. So once you are in that tool, up here in your toolbar, see the little box that has the plus on it? You can manually hit that plus and then just click right down here and it will add a new artboard. And you should get the plus buttons to add another one wherever it is that you need it. If you do not, and for some people it was then going back to the move tool and they had to again go to the Artboard tool, you can again hit the plus button, make another one. So you may have to do this multiple times, changing the tool from the move button to the artboard. If you're having trouble selecting it, try right-clicking on the move tool to bring up that dialog box that lets you select the artboard tool. And again, it's the little box up here. It's the third one over, and it has a plus sign inside of it. That's how you will create multiple artboards. And again, make sure that you're going down and you're renaming those artboards based on whatever page they are in your layers tablet. So that's how you can get those multiple artboards. I know that some of you, it was not working the way it was for me. And I think it's because my update is 2015.5 and some of you might not have that update yet. And I just think it changed the way the tool works is basically what it ended up doing. So again, just make sure that you change it to that Artboard tool and hit the plus button and you'll be able to make multiple artboards. If anybody has any other problems with this, please let me know and I will try to get into a Zoom room later on this evening. I'll be around, or tomorrow I'll be around most in the morning tomorrow. But make sure that you're sending me an email if you are having trouble, and I'm going to, if you're watching this, I'm also going to post it in the announcements tab. All right, there you go, everyone.